This factory turns dirty cooking oil into fuel powerful enough to fly a jet.
What once fried food is now treated as a high-energy resource. Collected from thousands of kitchens, this waste oil begins its second life.
Inside these pipes flows untapped energy.
After this process, this oil will power jet engines.
The transformation starts with industrial-grade cleaning.
Every impurity must be removed before fuel conversion.
Centrifuges separate oil at extreme rotational force.
Precise heat and pressure prepare the oil for transformation. This is where cooking oil stops being food and starts becoming jet fuel. Before conversion, the oil is stabilized and evenly heated. Powerful pumps move the oil into the heart of the process.
Hydrogen is introduced to reshape the oil's chemistry. At this stage, the oil is chemically transformed into fuel.
These reactors operate under extreme conditions, safely and precisely.
Every reaction is monitored second by second. The converted fuel is separated into usable grades.
Cooling systems turn vapor into liquid jet fuel.
Samples are taken to verify aviation-grade quality.
Only fuel meeting strict standards can move forward.
Aviation fuel must meet standards stricter than road fuel.
Each drop is chemically analyzed at the molecular level. Only perfectly balanced fuel is approved. Approved fuel is blended for absolute consistency. Now the fuel is ready for secure storage. Every tank is monitored around the clock.
Only certified pipelines handle aviation fuel.
From here, the fuel is shipped to airports.
This flight is powered by recycled cooking oil.
Every shipment is tracked from refinery to runway.
Nothing moves without verification. From waste to wings, the journey continues. Airports treat this fuel with the same care as traditional jet fuel. Blended correctly, biofuel integrates seamlessly.
Performance remains unchanged.
The real impact is measured in emissions saved.
The cycle begins again with fresh waste oil. At full scale,
waste becomes a strategic resource. This is how used cooking oil helps power modern aviation. This fuel cuts carbon without cutting performance.
Precision keeps every batch consistent.
Lines are cleaned to prevent any contamination.
Special catalysts make conversion possible. Catalysts are regenerated and reused efficiently.
Every scenario is practiced before it ever happens.
Redundant power keeps fuel stable at all times.
The refinery runs around the clock.
Each batch is cleared only once everything checks out. From waste oil to jet fuel, this is industrial transformation. Final samples confirm the fuel is flight ready.
Independent certification is mandatory before aviation use.
Only approved fuel is released into the supply chain. From here, the fuel moves invisibly toward airports.
Blended correctly, it performs exactly like traditional jet fuel.
Balance is critical at the molecular level.
This fuel is now cleared for real-world flight.
Performance stays the same. Impact changes dramatically.
This is how waste oil helps carry people across the world.
Airlines track every drop of fuel in real time. The difference shows up clearly in emissions data. The fuel behaves just like traditional jet fuel.
For airlines, this isn't an experiment, it's a strategy.
Scaling up changes the impact dramatically.
Demand is driving rapid expansion. More waste oil means more sustainable fuel.
At scale, waste becomes a reliable energy source.
This connection is reshaping the future of aviation.
The North Atlantic routes are fully operational. This fuel is now part of a global aviation network.
Partnerships turn innovation into reality.
The airports are upgrading to handle sustainable fuel.
Final checks happen just steps from the runway.
For pilots, the experience remains exactly the same.
From the cockpit, nothing feels different.
But the environmental impact is dramatically reduced.
Each flight proves waste can become power.
Back at the refinery, success is measured in the air. This is how used cooking oil helps fuel the future of flight. Sustainable fuel is becoming a long-term aviation standard.
Facilities are scaling to meet future demand.
Every upgrade increases clean fuel capacity. More collection means more fuel from the same waste.
Clarity like this meets aviation-grade standards.
Consistency is what aviation demands.
Sustainable fuel blends seamlessly into daily operations.
What changes isn't performance, it's impact.
The system keeps running long after humans step away.
Every mile flown proves waste can become energy.
By morning, yesterday's waste is already powering flights.
The process never really stops.
New waste arrives, ready for transformation. Every cycle begins the same way. Quality confirms the journey is complete. People leave, but the system keeps working. In this silence, the next conversion waits.
From kitchens to clouds, energy finds a new path.
This is the factory that turns used cooking oil into jet fuel.